All right. Today I am working on finalizing the presentation for the Sugar House Community Council, which we'll be having on Tuesday next week. Just looking at what I have here on the home page, I've dedicated the whole thing to Sugar House just for the time being. Been testing creating some meeting minutes that are derivatives of actually the topics list and formatted more like a traditional meeting minutes rather than our summaries. Looks like I've got a few issues here. I've got 2 copies. I'm only going to need one. This one appears to have still this issue with incorrect name in the list. So I'm just going to delete this one. Then I've also got to fix the teaser on the other. So we'll do that in a second. Kobe. Okay, so that's gone. If I reload this homepage, this is the only meetings left. Not sure where the video went. Why is that gone? Let's see what's going on. I do want the video, even though it's not linked to any timestamps. So it's here. It's not on the article. I guess I'll just take this for the teaser. I don't know why it doesn't have anything there. Well, you know what? That looks better, but I need to fix this. Cool. They didn't have a meeting in September. At least the video didn't work. Oh gosh. Skip June and July. Okay. Looking good. And then skipped April, March, February. Perfect. So this is a pretty good representation of the work I've been doing on this. I've got all the meetings of 2025 that happened. Oh, what happened there? Did I lose the screen? Weird. That's kind of funky. So my plan will be to go in, show this page. I don't think I need to go back in time much more. Just showing that I've done all the meetings this year and that I'm developing an AI agent that I can use to customize the formatting of the minutes, because my software, these meeting summaries are kind of built into the website and just the way the tool works. But another pathway that we could take is to create a custom AI agent that takes this summary and reformats it to match whatever they want. And I've been looking at the old meeting minutes that they were taking before Judy stopped doing that. I think it was around like August of last year. And that's what this is based off of. So, and also I kind of took some ideas just from the general city council minutes, which, kind of have this format of listing who's present at each meeting. I do not know why that's not showing. I'm gonna edit. So if I edit it, it's not going to really help. Go in the meeting. So I lost that video, and I have no idea why. I guess maybe a fix would be to just take it out and put it back in. It's a bit funky, but let's try it. It makes sense to have the video. Monthly meeting. Minutes. Let's just delete this and then try putting it in again. Good old reboot. Oh, this does. Okay. I don't want that. Okay, let's view the article now. Yeah, there's something that's not letting me keep the video in there. Not a big deal, really, but I would like to fix that. It looks like we got a spelling error here. Huh. I guess if I go back to the original meeting, which will be right here. Let's see maybe what's going on. Jeez, I got all this kind of junk in here. Should probably clean this up. So I wonder if are these all going to articles? Yep. All right, let's delete all this stuff. None of these really worked correctly. I'm just gonna clean this up. All these drafts. So, So this one looks like same. Is that the same? Oh, this is a draft. Let's see what this looks like. Got all that stuff wrong. Oh, yeah, let's work on these. All right. Yeah, so I really wasn't able to get the meeting notes. I wasn't able to get it so that the agent can pull from the meeting summary. I can only get it to pull from topics. Summary to minutes. One of these two. So, I'll try it again here. Let's select all topics. Great. We got 2 summary to minutes now. Just go back to the original, which is OpenAI. This might take a minute. This is pretty slow, I'd say. In the meantime, I'm going to take a look at the agent and see if I can make any more sense of it. When I went over it with James, it was not working. So in the system, you've got agents and prompts. The agents use the prompts to do things. So I've got these two versions of the summary to minutes agent. One's using OpenAI. Otherwise, they're basically the same. This one has not worked. Created junk. Multi-template prompts. Yeah, I think the only difference between this one and the original is the model. So right now, this is the only thing I really have working that I've created. Those other two examples at the bottom were from James. So OpenAI ChatGPT 5. We're not creating any images. We're using the minutes to summary prompt. Like that a little bit more. Still running. Here we go. Ooh. Okay, so it messed up. Why did it do that? I don't want that. I don't know what it was. Looks good. See if that fixed that. Close that. Do another. I deleted those. All right, that fixed that. Sweet. Let's see how this came out. Present city council members. Perfect. Maybe switch those two though. All right, so made some progress here in a short 20-minute stream. Just made a couple tweaks to the agent. Well, it's actually the prompt structure for the post content. I am gonna just move this one up. So you got community council members, city council members, legislative leadership, city staff. Yeah. I don't know if I need this. I don't think I need that extra quote there. I don't know if I need that. Paragraph break is there. Yeah, so I made some updates to the prompt, tested them, got it working so that I've got a nice clean title, graded every time. Seems like it's still picking up that Vinny. I guess I could fix that by removing it from the transcript. Yeah, I could edit the transcript so that doesn't keep happening. But yeah, feeling good. Really excited for the meeting on Tuesday with Landon at the community council. I don't think he's expecting me to really bring much, but I'll have a lot to show him. A whole, all of this year's meetings, summaries, an example of a meeting minutes, and I'm also prepared to talk about ways that we could use our platform for their website and develop a user system with logins and comments and all kinds of things. So we'll pick up